Okay, so we got our PHP page set up basically to accept information from the browser, and we can start using it, but there are some differences. Instead of echoing something like you logged on, we want to actually send them to another page. And so they're going to go to a different page, and they're not even going to realize they're going. We're going to do something called changing the header on them. And so they're going to be sent to another page and not even realize it. The page that they're going to be sent to depends on whether they succeeded or whether they failed. And so if they failed, they're going to go to the failed page, and if they succeeded, they'll go to the secret page, and they'll get to see a secret picture which only people that can log in get to see. So I'm going to get rid of this echo, the success, and instead I'm going to have a header function. So it looks like this. And I'm going to do the same thing with a failed page. If they failed, it's not going to echo anything. It's going to give them a header. And we do have to put some information in between these parentheses to show where they're going to go. And what I do is I put some half quotes. I'm going to put the word location in a full colon and then a space, HTTP. Well, actually, I think it'd be better if I just put, if I create a page, and hold on. So the page that they're going to go to, if they're successful, is called the secret.php page. And the page that they will go to if they fail is going to be called the fail.html page. Okay. So we'll go ahead and save this. And now I want to actually create a secret.php page and a fail.html page. And so I'm going to open up a new tab here, and I'll put some boilerplate here. I'll pause it while I do that. So here's my boilerplate. I'm going to go ahead and save this as, and it's going to be in that htdocs folder again, and it's going to be called secret.php. And then I'll put up here in some h1 tags you logged in. Now later on I can put stuff that's specific to them, like their name, their email address, things like that. But for right now I'm just going to show them a picture. So I'm going to create an image tag, and it's going to have a source, and I'm just going to go out to my Google browser, look at some images, and just put a happy, nice, fun image there. So let's go ahead and I'll just type in fun, and I'll go to images, and yay, fun. I'll go ahead and just choose this one. I'm going to go view image. I'm going to take the URL up here at the top, and hopefully it will allow me to do this. And I'm just going to stick it in this source image. Okay, so that's what happens if they are successful. They get to see that image. But if they fail, I'll go ahead and save that secret page. Then they're going to go to the fail page, so I'm going to go ahead and create a new page. I'll put the boilerplate on here again. So here's some boilerplate again. I'll go ahead and save this as fail.html in the htdocs page. And instead of having a nice little picture, I'm just going to say fail. Maybe login failed. But I should give them a link back to the login page, so I'm going to put a link to that, href equals, and then to get back they're going to click on index.html. I'll say go back to login, then an ending a tag. Okay, so that gives them a little link. They can click on go back to login, and they'll end up on the index.html page, so that they can try it again. Okay, so let's take a look at this and try to test it out. I have saved my pages. My login page is all set up. Go ahead back to my browser, type in localhost. Here's my login page. We'll try to succeed first, and so I'll go ahead and put in secret, login. Yay, it did in fact redirect me to secret.php. Great, think of all the things that we can put here. I'll go ahead and go back and I'll try to fail, put blah 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 in the password. It says login failed, go back to login. Excellent, works great.